Hello students, today we are going to study the last topic of unemployment chapter, that is causes and remedies of unemployment. So first students, let us begin with the causes of unemployment. Before studying the causes of unemployment, we should know what is unemployment, and students, you should also know how to improve unemployment. See, you think of unemployment always, anyone know the meaning of unemployment, but have you ever wondered why do we have unemployment in our country? And all those things we are going to see in today's video. So first let us see the causes, or let us see what are the reasons of unemployment. The first reason over here is low rate of economic development. The first reason is low rate of economic development, means our country is having a very slow rate of economic development. See, slow growth rate of our economy, which is it is a very important factor that has led to unemployment. Though our economy is expanding and every day students we are getting new employment opportunities also, but still ये सब क्या है, ये सब sufficient नहीं है. Why they are not sufficient? Because to absorb the available labor force विच इज़ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, जो हमारी लेबर फोर्स है जो अनएम्प्लॉयड है उसको ये अब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पा रही है. वाई? बिकॉज द रेट ऑफ आवर इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ इज़ वेरी वेरी slow. So this is one of the reason. Second is population explosion. So what to say in this population explosion, as every one of you is very much aware that our population is growing increasingly. Rather than population growing, students, the rate at which our population is growing, that is really very dangerous. So जिस रेट से पॉपुलेशन हमारी ग्रो हो रही है उस रेट से हमारी इकोनॉमी को उतनी ग्रोथ नहीं मिल रही है. सो population is increasing but our economic growth is not increasing with that rapid force. For example, suppose if there are 400 people in our country, so for those 400 people there are only 8 jobs available, so because of which we are not able to feed the other people which is one of the reason of unemployment. Third is low level of development of agriculture. सी स्टूडेंट्स, दिस ऑल्सो मीन्स अंडर डेवलपमेंट एंड एग्रीकल्चर. इसको आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो कि एग्रीकल्चर में अंडर डेवलपमेंट. एज यू ऑल नो स्टूडेंट्स, आवर प्राइमरी सेक्टर, स्पेशली जो एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर है वो अंडर डेवलप्ड है. क्यों? बिकॉज देर इज हैवी प्रेशर ऑफ पॉपुलेशन ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर, most of the population in rural areas is busy in agriculture, okay, and how they are busy, you also know. All of the people in a family are working on a particular plot of land only, and what they are using, वो लोग क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ओल्ड मेथड्स ऑफ कल्टिवेशन, जैसे सीजनल नेचर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ विच डिस्गाइज्ड अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट is there in our country, and lack of awareness are one of the reasons which is responsible for unemployment in agriculture. बिकॉज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ द लैंड फॉर कल्टिवेशन इज़ फिक्स्ड. कोई भी एक फार्मर है, उसका जो लैंड का कल्टिवेशन एरिया है वो तो फिक्स्ड है. तो स्कोप ऑफ जनरेटिंग मोर एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फ्रॉम द प्राइमरी सेक्टर इज़ वेरी लिमिटेड. जो हमारा एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर है, प्राइमरी सेक्टर, वहाँ से कोई ज़्यादा स्कोप नहीं है एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलने का. सो दिस बिकम्स द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इन आवर कंट्री मोर सिवियर, क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर पे ज़्यादा लोग हैं, उनका प्राइमरी ऑक्यूपेशन एग्रीकल्चर है, और ये एक रीज़न है. थर्ड इज़ डिफेक्टिव एजुकेशन सिस्टम. नाउ व्हाट शुड आई से? एज यू ऑल नो, आवर एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज़ 100 years ओल्ड, ओके. हमारी कंट्री में जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे विल टीच यू इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, बट दे विल नॉट टीच यू हाउ टू सॉल्व द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम? यू कैन ओनली स्टडी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम as such. But now I want to make a change in this. After the situation of this COVID-19, as you all are well aware that our government has introduced NEP 20, that is New Education Policy 2020. Now what all things are there in this new education policy, that I am not going to explain over here, but still the point you can mention is our education system is still, you can say, underdeveloped, or it is defective, means it is not up to the point. Though now our government have taken this step to improve it, but let's see when it is implemented right from 2021 it seems. After that only we can speak on this. Next is decline of cottage and small scale industries. See students, with the rising population, the small scale industries are declining day by day. You can find very large industries in big metropolitan cities, but small scale industries are generally located in a very small area. And you know why it is declining? Because people are mostly preferring all the goods which are easily available in the large scale industry. For example, if a person needs to buy a chair which is costing rupees 400 or 500 in a in a large showroom, that the same chair will cost round about 1000 or 1200 rupees if it is purchased from a small scale industry. Why? Because the work which is done in the small scale industry is being hand, the work is done by hand, means the labor force is used. So that job or that work is really very good, but it is not paid much, and the material which is supplied is really very costly. So definitely the people will prefer to buy from the shop which they are getting at a very less price. Last is faulty planning. सी स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा जो 5 ईयर प्लानिंग है, इट इज़ नॉट डिज़ाइंड इन सच अ वे दैट हमारी बढ़ती हुई पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ को वो इम्प्रूव कर सके. सो it states that what we have to do. Our planning commission or our planning 5 year plan will tell us what we have to do in this 5 year plan, but it does not match with the rising growth rate of population. जो हमारी population growth rate है उसके साथ वो कहीं मैच नहीं कर रहा है. So in our country rate of unemployment is increasing day by day. That is because of our faulty planning. Our planning is not made in such a way that we are able to improve our economic growth. So because we are not able to improve our economic growth, we are also not able to find solution to the problem of unemployment. आ गया सबको समझ में? Now let us see the cause, the remedies for this problem of unemployment. Now just opposite of this, remedies means what are the measures that our government is taking to improve the problem of unemployment. Opposite of that over here, increase in the growth rate of GDP. Here you will find that government is trying to increase the growth rate of our gross domestic product. For example, how it is increasing? Increase in the production of goods and services. Okay, it is a first important measure which is to be taken in this regard. Now by accelerating the growth rate, the economy will be able to create more job opportunities. इसके वजह से क्या होगा? इकोनॉमी में ज़्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज आ जाएगी. Now to achieve this what we have to do? Production in agricultural and industrial sector should rise. जहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन होना है, जैसे एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर या फिर इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर, दैट प्रोडक्शन शुड राइज. ओके, डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्मॉल स्केल एंड कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज शुड ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. हमारी कंट्री में जितनी भी पॉपुलर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज है उनका राइज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो वी शुड बी एबल टू जनरेट डिमांड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक गुड्स इन अदर कंट्रीज ऑल्सो. बाहर की कंट्रीज में जिस चीज़ की डोमेस्टिक गुड्स की डिमांड है, वी शुड बी एबल टू कोप अप विद द डिमांड. अगर हम उनकी डिमांड को कोप अप नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, मीन्स वी आर लैकिंग बिहाइंड इन द प्रोडक्शन. Then increase in production in all the sectors of the economy will create more demand for labor as job opportunities increase due to increased production. Second is population control. Now what to say about this population control? Can you say that our government has taken really some measures and because of this we have controlled the population? It's really difficult to say this. I can't say like this. So why I can only want to tell you that over here students, there is a very urgent need, a very urgent requirement is there to control the growth rate of population. I don't know what the government is doing for that, and is really our country's population declining? I don't know. Okay, so that addition to existing labor forces can also be reduced. So an effective strategy like family planning, government should make some programs. Actually it is making also, like family planning programs, they should be initiated to control the population. ये एक method है, it is very very old, but there is no difference. Because of this there is no difference in our rising growth rate of population. So can't speak much for this point. थर्ड इज एनकरेजमेंट टू स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. हमारी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए बहुत एनकरेजमेंट ज़रूरी है. सी यू कैन, इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू लोकेट द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. एंड व्हाट विल हैपन विद द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज? As and when the small scale industries are expanded, what is going to happen? More and more number of people are going to get job, because in small scale industries capital intensive the labor intensive technique is used, not capital intensive. Means यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर काम लेबर्स के थ्रू होता है, not because of machines. So more and more people will get employment because of this. Next is self employment. See students, self employment over here means what? Government expects that देयर शुड बी पीपल शुड बी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड. नाउ व्हाट इज द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस? क्यों गवर्नमेंट एंकरेज करती है सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट को? देखो, दो जगह पे करती है, रूरल एरियाज़ और अर्बन एरियाज़, दोनों जगह में. इन रूरल एरियाज़ गवर्नमेंट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग लोन. किस लिए? शॉर्ट टर्म, मिडिल टर्म या फिर लॉन्ग टर्म लोन्स किसको देती है? फार्मर्स को. वाई? सो दैट दे कैन बाय द सीड्स, equipments, manures, etc. Government is trying to give them loan so that they can buy all these things. Then in urban areas what is happening? यहाँ पे government should provide what they should be giving financial assistance. Why? To set up their own enterprise. Government चाहती है कि लोग अपना own enterprise रखें. Because what will happen if people will start up their own business? उसके दो फायदे होंगे. एक तो प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज होगा हमारी कंट्री में. सेकेंड इज जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी, जिसके वजह से एम्प्लॉयमेंट के जो कंडीशंस हैं, जो नंबर है, वो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के कंडीशंस जो हमारी कंट्री में इम्प्रूव हो सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एजुकेशनल सेक्टर रिफॉर्म्स. नाउ सी, एट द एग्जिस्टिंग एजुकेशन सिस्टम इज मोर डिग्री ओरिएंटेड. अभी जो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, इट इज़ ओनली डिग्री ओरिएंटेड. Some efforts government should make to make it job oriented. Now, as I said you, because of this COVID-19, already our government has made many changes in our education policy in 2020. Those will be implemented from 2021. So, I'm not going to speak in detail about this NEP 20. See, the system should include some technical education, and really government has made many changes in future for the upcoming classes of the students of 9th and 10th. So there should be more institutions. They should provide information about special programs of training. इस तरह की ट्रेनिंग के programs specially government should do. Why? So and to enhance the skills of for educated unemployed persons. Last is infrastructural development. Infrastructure development कौन कौन से हैं? Like health, education, hospitals, dams, road, etc. All this are very important for the development of our Indian economy. As you all know all these things. So if these facilities are developed in right direction, these would enable overall development of the economy. अगर ये सारी चीज़ें right direction में increase हो गई तो overall हमारी economy में बहुत अच्छा growth हो जाएगा. And because of this, it would open many avenues for work. Many people will get employment also. So this would bring increase in the output. इससे क्या होगा? Output में भी increment होगा, employment भी लोगों को मिल जाएगा, and it will help in the problem of unemployment. I hope students you have understood today's video, causes and remedies of unemployment. With this we complete our unemployment chapter. In our next video we are going to study our new chapter, that is infrastructure. Thank you for watching.